Id-diskors tal-Prim Ministru fi Strasburgu kien segwit minn interventi tal-membri tal-Parlament Ewropew. Il-maġġoranza assoluta ta' dawk l-intervjenow kellhom kliem pożittiv dwar Malta, irrispettivament mill-liema grupp kienu ġejjin. Saħansitra presidenti ta' gruppi differenti tkellmu dwar kemm qed jistennew li l-Presidenza ta' Malta bit-tmexxija ta' Joseph Muscat tagħmel differenza.
Today's start to the Maltese presidency symbolises the opposite. A small country like Malta, through its membership of the European Union, is stronger and has more clout and can assert its interests at the European level. That's why we welcome your presidency as a strong political signal.
Thank you for your inspiring intervention. Thank you also for always defending the interest of the European Parliament, and that will be necessary, I think, in the coming months.
Social Europe is really at the heart to reconnect with citizens, making the best of the upcoming European Pillar of Social Rights.
Ħafna mill-membri parlamentari Ewropej tkellmu dwar it-tema tal-immigrazzjoni, iqisu li l-prijorità li poġġiet Malta hija floka u li l-Gvern Malti għandu l-leġittimità li jitkellem.
I hope very much that your presidency can bring back a new dynamic. Let's say give hope to the citizens about Europe, show them the benefits and communicate the benefits, and bring and deliver security in times of many insecurities.
What used to be effective immigration, which was to be better managed, we have now focused on illegal immigration, and I think we're getting to the nub of the matter now, because illegal immigration is the cause of the problem, and it doesn't need to be better managed but prevented and brought to an end. I'd be happy to believe that the Maltese presidency will do this, that the emphasis on resolving the refugee and migration crisis is a very good idea, and Malta has a great deal to teach all EU member states.
Vuċi l-istonat ma' dawn kienet tal-Membru Parlamentari Ewropew Nazjzonalista David Casa, l-uniku membru parlamentari tal-Popolari Ewropej li kien negattiv dwar Malta.
Din hija presidenza illi toħloq fija konflitt. Jien ħdimt ħafna sabiex Malta tissieħeb fl-Unjoni Ewropea, li nara lil pajjiżi fit-tmexxija tal-Unjoni Ewropea dan jagħmilni kburi. Iżda għandi gvern li qiegħed jimbarazzani. Din hija amministrazzjoni bbażata fuq il-vendikazzjoni u li m'għandu ebda sens ta' mistħija.
Iżda kien hemm it-tliet membri tal-Parlament Ewropew tal-Partit Laburista li mmarkaw fejn tispikka Malta, sostnew li s-sitt xhur li ġejjin se jaraw lil Malta tixpruna deċiżjonijiet importanti dwar setturi mill-iktar importanti li għandhom jagħtu nifs ġdid lill-Ewropa.